If you use Snapchat, you may notice that sometimes when you send a photo or video from your gallery, it appears as a media upload instead of being sent like a normal snap in the chat. Many users prefer sending it directly as a snap so it looks cleaner inside the conversation dot in this video. I'll show you how to send a snap without it appearing as a media upload in 2026. First, open Snapchat and go to the camera screen. Then tap the arrow icon that shows more options dot after that. Select the option called Direct Mode. Once you enter this section, go to the last option called Import Content dot. Now choose the photo or video that you want to send from your gallery. After selecting it, tap Preview. Here you can edit the snap however you want, such as adding text, stickers, or drawings. Once you finish editing, tap Send, then simply choose the contact you want to send the snap to, and it will be sent directly in the chat instead of appearing as a media upload. And that's it. That's how you can send snaps normally without them showing as media uploads on Snapchat. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Snapchat tips and tutorials.